Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to fold underwear. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first underwear I'll be folding is the thong. So first things first, you need to lay your thong flat on a flat surface. Next, you need to flip over your thong with the front of the thong facing down. After that, you take the bottom or the lower portion of the thong, which is the crotch area, and you fold that up to meet the waist area or the top portion. Next, you take the left side and you fold that to the center. And then you take the right side and you fold that to the center as well, creating a rectangle. Next, you take the left side again and then you just fold that over, letting it meet the right side, and then you're done. And then you are left with this really cute folded thong. Cute, huh? So the next underwear we'll be folding is the bikini cut underwear, or what I like to call it, period panties. So just like before, lay your underwear flat on the flat surface. Next, you're gonna take the lower part of the underwear, which is the crotch area, and you're gonna fold that up, meeting the top portion like so. Then you're gonna take the left side and you're going to fold it, creating 4 to 5 rectangles, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're done. You've created this really cute rectangular shaped folded underwear, and you can just stack your other underwear on top and then, yeah, organized. Super cute, right? So the next underwear I'm gonna fold is the boy shorts. All right, just like before, you're gonna lay your boy shorts or your underwear flat on a flat surface. And because of the bulkiness of the crotch area, you're actually going to lay it a little differently. You're going to take the top portion, so the front and the back portion, and you're going to stretch it out, which is gonna lay both of the leg portions flat on each other. Now that the underwear is flat, you would then take the bottom portion of the underwear and fold it, meeting the top portion, like so. After that, you're going to take the left side and you're going to fold it in thirds, and then you are done. And you're gonna have this really cute little square shaped folded underwear. Cute, huh? Simple, very simple. And that is it, guys. So there's many ways you can really fold your underwear. I just wanted to show you guys some of the ways that I like to fold my underwear. So with that said, let me know in the comment section below if you use any of the techniques I mentioned in this video. Let me know, let me know. All right, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.